Hey warriors! So I just wanted to let you know what's going on today. So today I'm still sanding, and it's been like a 4th day since I'm sanding, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to paint this kitchen soon. So that's my activity for today. And playing with dogs. This is Peggy. This Peggy. Say hi.
Peggy!
Peggy, over here, camera. Charlie's running around somewhere around here. So, what I wanted to suggest, guys, that we're gonna do some kind of fun challenge, but for tomorrow. So, tomorrow's challenge, because it's Sunday, you know, it's a day off for most of us. So on Sunday, we're gonna try to be really active. We're gonna go out and we're gonna do some fun activity, and that's our challenge. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go out tomorrow. I'm gonna try to share it with you guys what I'm doing. Probably something with Charlie. And that's it. So, and tomorrow we're gonna do challenge for the next day, and this way I think it's gonna keep us motivated to do this together. These challenges, it's gonna be food challenges and exercise challenges. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.